Welcome to English for Professional Mechanical Engineers. My name is Huang Dongyong. I'm going to talk about the topic Introduction to Arduino in this video clip. I'll begin with the outlines of this unit. Applications of Arduino. Brief history of Arduino. What is Arduino? Why Arduino? Where to start? Programming and references. This topic is kind of lengthy, hence I divide this unit into 3 parts, so you may have a short break after each part. Though traditionally the session application is arranged in the last part, I want to use some interesting successful examples to motivate you to learn Arduino. Therefore, I'll start with application of Arduino today. This slide shows a ping-pong ball cannon controlled by Arduino. Similarly, you might try to build a baseball pitching machine or a tennis ball machine, which can be called a launcher, using Arduino. In the following slides, we have a variety of Arduino robots. In the first row, we have cars and a spider. In the second row, we have a 2-wheeled robot, a quad-rotor helicopter, and a robot snake. You may appreciate the dexterity of the 2-wheeled robot and the quad-rotor helicopter. I like to mention the robot snake because it has to control 12 servo motors. This Arduino Mega controlled servo motors together in a reptile configuration, allows the robot to move via serpentine motion, known as concertina locomotion, rectilinear motion like a worm, or side winding, when snakes move across sand or mud. It can also twist itself into a wheel and roll in this rather unnatural, though quite interesting way. In this slide, we have 3 different drawing robots. These robots can write and draw figures. Here, you can see figures of the Iron Man, Hello Kitty, and Spyros. Next, we have 2 Rubik's Cube solving robots. Again, Arduino is used to manipulate the Rubik's Cube. Go to YouTube, you'll find many films on Rubik's Cube solving robots. Now, a much more complex Arduino project is shown in this slide. 3 Arduino boards are used along with necessary accessories to control XYZ motion and the spindle motor in a CNC or a 3D printer. This slide also shows CNC 3D printers. Particularly in the right-hand side is Arduino Materia 101. It is the first official Arduino 3D printer. It uses an Arduino Mega 2560 with a shield specifically made for controlling 3D printers. An Arduino 3D printer capable of producing artificial skin graft wins James Dyson's Award in Canada in 2014. Also, Arduino is used in reusable energy projects, such as solar tracker and windmill. And the generated electricity can be stored using Arduino battery charger. Now, this slide shows a project using Arduino to make a barcode scanner. In this slide, we have some wearable devices. The one in the upper left is a wearable pulse sensor with Arduino, and the Arduino watch in the bottom right integrates function of altitude, temperature, compass, and pedometer. Meanwhile, the LilyPad wearable can be shown on coats and gloves. The LilyPad has notable features that it is sewable and washable. In the top right shows a bike jacket with LED turn signal using DigiPay Arduino. Here, people use Arduino to build a health monitoring system with biometric sensors. It is good for home care. However, as the platform does not have medical certification, it cannot be used to monitor critical patients who need accurate medical monitoring or those whose condition must be accurately measured for an arterial professional diagnosis. In addition to the complex health monitoring system in the previous slide, here is another complex system built with Arduino, a miniature weather station. It monitors and records wind speed and direction, temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, and the rainfall. And in this slide, we have fantastic electronic music. The upper pictures show an Arduino sound machine, which resembles an old-fashioned turntable in a modern style. And the lower picture shows Arduino electronic drums. The next Arduino application I'd like to share with you is the remote control with Android. Such applications may make the emerging IoT technology work perfectly. Now, I'd like to summarize the role of Arduino in applications. The Arduino microcontroller is at the heart of many DIY projects from robotics to art projects, and just about everything in between. What makes Arduino boards so cool and useful is that the dream of building or hacking their own devices may come true now. That's all for part 1 of Introduction to Arduino. Hope you are interested in using Arduino to make your own project now. Thank you for watching. Have a good time and see you in part 2.